Good morning, grade 9. The lesson today is about how to determine the equation of a line. And you can see here it's saying determine the equation of the line that has a slope of 2 and passes through the point 3, 2, which means all I have is the slope and I have a point over this line. Very important to understand what the meaning a point 3, 2, that it's on this line. So if I have the x-axis and the y-axis, for example, with this way, and I have the point 3, 2, which means I can say that this is 1, 2, and 3, 1 and 2. That means 3, 2, that means there is a point here, and this point it's 3, 2. It will be over this line. And the line has a slope of 2. Do I know the b? Do I know the y-intercept? Actually, no. I know a point, and I know the slope of the line. So this line, I have no idea. It's passing, yes, through the point, but I have no idea about the b. This is unknown for me. So how can I solve this problem? Therefore, I have to mention first the equation. The equation of this line, it will be y equal mx plus b. So that means y equal, the m is 2x plus b. The b for me it's unknown. I have no idea about the b. Therefore, I cannot create the equation right now. However, I can use the point that it's over this line, because this point, when it's over this line, it makes the equation of the line true, which means I can set this point 3, 2 into the equation. And from here, I will have y, I will have x, and I have m. That means the only unknown in this case is going to be b. So instead of y, I'm going to use 2 equal, the slope is 2, x is 3 from this point, plus b. And as you see, the only unknown b. And as you know that if I have one unknown and one equation, I can find this unknown. So it's going to be 2 equal 6 plus b. I'm going to ask the 6 to go to the other side and changing its sign. So it's going to be 2 negative 6 equal b. That means b will equal, in this case, negative 4 right away. So this means what? I found b. That means I found the equation. So y equal, I have the slope 2. I have the b negative 4. So now I can draw the line. I can draw the line by saying, if I know on this graph that this is 1, 2, 3, and 4, that means the line passed through this point and through this point. That means in this case, I can draw the line without any problem. And this line is going to be with this way, that it's going to pass through the point 3, 2, and in the meantime, it passes through the negative 4 as a y-intercept. If I go to the other one, again, I have something similar to this one, a slope of half, that means I have m, and pass through this point. Again, I can say that this equation should be y equal half of x plus b. The only unknown here is going to be the b. I have no idea about. Therefore, I have to say set the point 4, negative 3 into the equation, because this point it's on the line. Therefore, the equation is going to be with this way. Y is going to be negative 3 equal half time the x is 4 plus b. I have only one unknown, one equation. So that means negative 3 equal, I can simplify the 2 with the 4, so it's going to be 2 plus b. That means negative 3, I will transfer the 2 to the other side, so it's going to be, in this case, b equal to negative 5. If I have b, therefore I have the equation y equal the m, which was half x, and I have the b negative 5. So in this case, this is going to be the equation of this line. This is going to be the equation of this line. So from here, we know how to determine the equation of line by knowing the slope and 1 point over this line. Thank you for your attention.